Yes, our topic today is gonna be Logo Maker Pro. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use Logo Maker Pro. So all you gotta do is just on your data and stay with Logo Maker Pro loading. Maybe if you are doing a business, you're gonna look for a logo that is gonna fit the business you're gonna do. So like me, I'm doing a gaming channel. I'm gonna find a logo that is gonna fit this channel that I'm making. So let's go look for a logo that is gonna match a gaming channel. Let's click, and remember, this app have up to 5,000 logo, free logo, for any of your business. If you are doing a wedding business, just any business. So let's try color it, and remember, you can resize it, cancel, add another. Let's look for another logo. And remember, this app doesn't use data, so let's resize it. So let's try click add a text on it. Like now my channel, let me just tap Cascari Gaming. Yeah, let me type Cascari Gaming, Cascari Gaming, Cascari Gaming. Okay, so let's resize it. So you can change the font name, gaming, Cascari Gaming. Oh, Cascari Gaming. And remember, this app have up to 5,000 fronts. You can change your fronts into animations, free animations. It doesn't use data. So you're gonna click the one that's gonna match your gaming. As I'm clicking it, I'm changing the gaming now. I'm changing it again. I'm changing it again just to show you guys. This app is so good and wonderful for any YouTuber. If you are a YouTuber and you are trying to get your logo than copying somebody's logo, I may guess you use this app for it. Because let's change the color. Yeah, red. Let's use red. But remember, it's gonna be shadow. Yeah, it's not gonna be bright because we haven't used the real plain color until we change the front. Before the thing we're gonna be bright. As you can see, I'm changing the color of the background, the text background, but it's not gonna show on the front. I hope you see what I'm doing now. This character I'm using, the character is just a shoulder character. It doesn't show highlighted unless I use a normal front character. Red. Let's check it red again. I'm just teaching you guys how to use the color in the app. So let's try go change the background. Just click a background, you see. It's what I'm doing. Just click on background. Maybe you may add a picture of any background when adding to it. You may add a picture or anything. So let's color. What we're gonna do, just color it now. So maybe it's time for us to change the text. No, let's leave it like this. Cascari Gaming. Let's change the front text. Yeah. Let's change it again. Yeah, Cascari Gaming. Let's change it again. Maybe let's go check the background. You may choose any background that you like. This app has 100 background, 100 free background, and maybe you may color the background with a plain color. You may just add color, you color it, you made it to any color that you would like blue, green, just any color. It depends on how you work on it. You see, I've already changed it to blue, so you save it in process. Whenever you save this, the logo is now installed to your phone. Then you may add it to YouTube or anywhere. Just subscribe to the channel.